In today's video, I want to do a natural eye look without using black or brown. So I'm using the Milani, the Beautiful Nightmare palette, and also the Milani, a Haunted Hollow palette. I'm going to use a light gray from the Beautiful Nightmare palette, and I am going to put that all over my eyes. And then in the crease and the outer corner, I am going to put a dark gray, and it is from a Haunted Hollow. It is from the Haunted Hollow palette. And I'm creating that look for all the natural ladies out there who likes to do just a plain natural look without too much color or any color at all, and they're just tired of using brown and black. So this gray look is for you. And for all those who love gray out there, that is also for you. And I know a special friend, sister, queen who loves gray. That is for you also. And to everyone who's watching, I hope you enjoy this beautiful eye look. I love creating these looks while I talk about something that will motivate us and keep us taking steps forward to whatever it is that we want to achieve in this lifetime. So if you like this kind of content, if you like my videos, I would like you to consider subscribing. Enjoy the look as I create it. When I talk about inspiration, what comes up as I'm doing this, whatever is coming up is what I'm talking about. Take it for what it is, use what you can from it, and leave the rest. The rest might help somebody else. There is a little bit in everything for each and every one of us. And in the comments, you can leave an encouraging word for somebody else. Somebody might come in there, look at it, read it, and it might encourage them too. I am not the only one who has encouraging words. You have encouraging words also. So put an encouraging word out there in the comment. Let it be a blessing to bless somebody else. The more you love yourself, the better you will feel about yourself. The more confidence you will have about you. Little bit at a time, because I know everyone is not capable of loving themselves completely one time. It doesn't happen. It did not happen to me one time. It took a lot of work. I loved myself, then I lost faith in myself, then I lost, truth in myself, then I became fearful of what if, what not, what this, what that. But then I found myself again. So it's a work in progress. Every now and then we get pushed out of our element and we get fearful. Hang in there. Hang in there. Don't give up. Every time you stumble, stop, take a deep breath, and start from where you are. Don't go trying to start from way back there, because you'll always be starting. Start from where you are now and take steps to fix that. Some of us are born with it. We're born bold and we are in your face and we're going nowhere. And some of us need a little help to help us to be better people to ourselves first and then others. So don't be ashamed of where you are. Don't let shame put you back. Travel on, travel on, travel on, travel on. I used to be so afraid to talk to people when I was younger because my accent was heavy. And every time I talk to people, they always say, "What? Eh? What are you saying? You talk too fast. You have an accent. Where are you from?" And because I hated all of those things, I didn't say much to people, and people thought I was shy. I wasn't shy. I am not a shy person, but I just didn't say anything because of that. And one day I was doing something, or I answered a question, and the person looked at me and they say, "You said it the right way. You pronounced it exactly how it is." And I was like, "Yeah, that's how it's pronounced." And I forgot what it was. I was somewhere at work, and they were asking questions and stuff like that. And I answered, and they're like, "You said it exactly. This is the right pronunciation." I say, "Well, because of my accent, that's what it is." But I was always full of energy, full of life, always wanted to help motivate the next person. And here I am. And I'm grateful I am. Today's inspirational, encouraging, motivational message word is from the Complete Pocket Positives book. And it reads, "Those things that hurt instruct." Those things that hurt instruct. And that was said and written by Benjamin Franklin. And that is our inspirational message for today. We can meditate on it, we can think about it, we can come up with many ways how that is so true or reflect in our life. The things that hurt instruct. Always remember, self is first. Self is first. Take care of self. Love self plenty. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay fabulous. Stay strong. Stay encouraged. Bye.